Over the years, critical thinking has gone down and the world is more divided than ever. Social media algorithms prevent us from evaluating other perspectives. It cages us into specific ideologies it thinks we want to consume because this sustains attention, giving room for more ads, increasing their revenue. Short form content like TikTok trains people to accept information at face value and make quick judgments. This can be hard to unlearn because once an idea is cemented, new ideas will be uncomfortable to tackle. Because of this, the development of new leaders are slowed down. Worse, because leaders today have demanding responsibilities, they have little time to learn about rising issues. This ultimately harms the UN's 2030 goal of promoting peace, justice, and strong institutions by taking away holistic information for decision making. Which is why we developed the gray area. We are on a mission to empower busy decision makers by delivering concise, objective summaries of daily headlines while articulating the opposing viewpoints on issues to their inbox with AI for the sake of critical thinking. Which is why we designed our newsletter to have 3 features. 1. Objective summarization. We harness the power of AI to make unbiased and concise summaries. 2. Points for and against. We want to train readers to look at the other side of a story first before making judgments. And 3. Custom thumbnails. Grabbing user attention and retaining them will be easier with contextual and customized thumbnails. I will test our solution with a fake email client for privacy. We can see the 3 features here, but do know that we have much bigger plans. From multi-language support to hearing the news after your alarm. Our technical architecture is divided into 3 parts. Gathering news and classifying their sentiments with TensorFlow, using OpenAI to generate bias-free content, and sending emails with the help of Firebase.